Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. Today I'm reusing yeast, which is a massive money saver, and I'm doing it the simple way, not rinsing or any of that complicated stuff. So anyway, here we are on bottling day, and I'm draining this is my amber ale actually, draining it out into the bottling bucket, and down she goes at super speed, and then the last little bit. And what I'm going to do is leave just a couple of centimeters of beer on top and put that aside. So there we go, that's sitting there ready to bottle now. There we go, up go the bottles, and that's filling up with delicious beer. And let's do two, why not? Yep. So now, oh yeah, in the meantime, a swarm of bugs has descended upon my house, and so I'm hoping that none of those decide to land in my yeast as I try and save it here. But anyway, I guess I'll just switch the light out to deal with those guys. Hopefully they don't come in here. Okay, so here we are. Here's my yeast bucket with a couple of centimeters of yeast, and I'm going to give it a stir, and then remember that I left the tap on, so I'm going to turn the tap off, get Max to clean the stuff off the floor there, and I'm basically just stirring it up and tipping in the yeast into my little containers here. So these are just jars. They've been sanitized and everything. It actually pours quite nicely out of the tap. Going to get 3 little containers worth. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Everybody's happy. So this is just the sludge at the bottom, and as I said, a little bit of the leftover beer that's been mixed up, and there we go. There's still a bit there, but I don't need it all. That ought to be enough to bottle one. Do one more beer afterwards, not bottle. You know what I mean. Yeast one more beer. Anyway, there they are with the labels on top, and I'm going to find a spot for them in the fridge. I guess I'll just get rid of the kiwi bird out of the butter thingo there and shut them and play with the dog. I'm going to leave those for a couple of days, and what's going to happen is it's going to settle a little bit. So here we are back at the fridge, and here's my little jars, and you can see there's about half yeasty muck and half beer. So I am, for the sake of it, you don't actually have to do this, just going to combine these 3 containers into 2. So I've tipped the layer of beer off the top of 2 of them, and then the third one I've just mixed it up again, and I'm pouring it in, and that's all fits nicely. So now I've got 1 extra spare jar. So these guys, that I'm drinking is actually the original pail that the yeast was first used in. So this is actually round 2 already with this yeast, and I'm stirring round 3, and there's enough room there for the kiwi bird to go back in. So I can leave that in the fridge for up to a month when I want to use it, and in fact here I am using it. So yeah, you saw me bottle the amber. This is me actually brewing the amber and pitching the yeast. So as I said, that I'd already reused this one once, and so I'm just rinsing out the jar there with some beer. That's on thingy day. But anyway, here we go. So full disclosure, I almost didn't post this video because here's the amber ale that I said was generation 2, and it actually tasted quite yeasty, but it turns out that that's basically what you get for trying it after it's only been in the bottle for 3 days. I can be a bit excited, as you might know, but anyway, the beer turned out alright. So that's all good, and this is a massive money saver. Don't have to spend $5 every time or more on yeast. So there we go. Thanks for watching the video. That's the easy way of doing it. Okay, bye.